Alright, it is February 10th, 2010, and we are headed out into the worst blizzard, well, the worst week of snow I've ever seen in Baltimore, including the greatest snowfall in recorded history in this part of the country. This is what we're looking at today. We got probably about 3 feet over the weekend, Friday night and Saturday. Today is Wednesday, and it's a whole different storm that's come in. Let's take a look. Try not to fall here. Go around and take a look at the house. Maybe I can get Gracie out. Can't stay out too long. I don't want the camera to get too wet. This is what our house looks like. Afraid it's not getting anything. Camera's wet.